Hey everybody, it's Dr. Reinhardt from Proactive Health and Wellness, and want to take a minute today and tell you about one of my favorite patients that I've had really in my career. I had this gentleman one time who came into the office, and really he came in like most patients, had pretty bad low back pain, and so we did our examination. And I do typical orthopedic, do typical neurologic testing, take a complete case history, and it seemed like a pretty normal case. And so we found a couple areas in his lower back where there were some pinched nerves that was causing his lower back pain, and we started care. And care was going well. Back pain started getting better. And then about 2 or 3 weeks into care, one day I came into the room and the patient was there, and he said, "Dr. Reinhardt, I got a question for you. I've had something really weird going on, and I don't know if it has anything to do with chiropractic, but I haven't been doing anything else different, so I don't know what else it could be." And I said, "Okay, well, what's up?" He's like, "Ever since I started getting adjusted, my libido's been crazy. I want to be with my wife all the time. I don't know if that has anything to do with chiropractic, but I'm having this going on. Is that something that chiropractic can help with?" And I said, "Well, really, when we take a look at your lower back and we look at some of the nerves in your lower back, not only do the nerves in your lower back cause back pain, but believe it or not, these same nerves in your lower back that could be causing your back pain control a lot of your organs and your muscles too. And specifically the nerves down here in your lower back that were causing your back pain, they control your reproductive organs. So if you have a misaligned joint irritating the nerve, blocking the signal from the brain to your reproductive organs, that could absolutely be a side effect of a pinched nerve in your lower back." And so he kind of shook his head and he kind of understood. And then he goes, "Well, I've got another question for you then." And he said, "My doctors told me that I would never be able to have children. Is that something chiropractic can help with?" And so I told him, I can never make any promises. There's no guarantees when it comes to healthcare. But once again, when we look at these nerves in your lower back, the nerves that control your reproductive organs, if we can relieve that nerve irritation, if we can improve the communication between the brain and your reproductive organs, there's always that possibility that infertility could improve, and you could potentially have children if we can remove that nerve stress. And sure enough, 2 or 3 months after that conversation, his wife ended up getting pregnant, and they ended up having a little child. And so, that's why I do what I do. But a lot of people, once again, don't really know that is a potential with chiropractic care, that believe it or not, something like infertility can actually improve. So when you think about chiropractic care, we want to help as many people with lower back pain and neck pain as we can, but we also really want to make sure that everything is functioning normally, because when you have a functional nervous system, when everything's working at 100%, whatever the nerve controls will also be able to work at 100%. So thanks again for tuning in, guys. If you know anybody who could benefit from this information, whether it's here in Ohio or whether it's on the other side of the country, please share, please tag them in the video. Please let them know that they're having trouble with this. Chiropractic may be an option for them. Thanks again, guys. Have a great day.